Hello lovers. So today is super exciting because I am headed back home. I am getting on a plane to New York from London. I am currently leaving the gym 6:30 in the morning on Sunday. When I was getting to the gym, the sun was rising. I had to wake up at like 4:45, but I cannot miss my gym sessions because we got to get this energy flowing, because we like it spicy around here. So I'm gonna head home. I have to finish packing. I have to jump in the shower. I have to get all my stuff. And then we're back. We're off to New York. We're off to New York. I thought that I could just show what it's like traveling right now. It's May 2nd. My birthday, because I'm a Taurus, baby, is in 10 days. But yeah, you can see what it's like to international travel. We're gonna check out the airports. I haven't been home in 18 months. So I'm as excited as you are to see maybe what the situation is. The situation. So let's do this. Okay, so just got home. Have to pack up. Saying goodbye to my place. When I get back, I have to move. So this is like a little final look. I mean, I will be in quarantine here and I will be packing up. So this is not goodbye, but I'm gonna miss this home, this beautiful home. But I'm going home. So yeah. All right, so I'm all ready. Showered, fresh. We're off to the airport. Let's do this. I have a lot of jewelry on. This is rude. So I'm on the way to the airport and I have to fill out these forms because that's what you have to do these days. So filling out the forms, getting our way there.
Heathrow Terminals 1, 2, 3, and 5.
Heathrow Terminals, baby. Here we come. I will show you what it's like in the airport. I'm excited to see if a lot of people are traveling, what the situation is, all that. So, script change. I was told that the test I got was not proper and that I have to go get another test. Thank you, buddy. My heart dropped because I thought, wow, I'm not going to see my family. Okay, there we go. But I guess they have a testing center. I'm going to do this. I came prepared with time, so I think we're good, but we're going to go get tested. No, it's okay. Okay, so I did the test and they were super efficient, quick, helpful. I should have the test result in a half hour. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be negative because I got one yesterday, it was negative. I guess it just wasn't the right test. Even though it said it's an antigen test, which is what I did today. Anyway, I will update you and keep you in the loop. But we're at the airport, we're making our way. And I love airports because I just find them so sexy. You always like meet strangers I mean, with the mask situation, it's not quite like the same mood. Maybe I'll meet someone in a bathroom. Wink, wink. But yeah, as you can see, the situation at the airport is pretty like low key compared to what I'm used to at like Heathrow or like New York airports. You know, I'm flying to Newark. So it's pretty low key. Okay, so I just got through check-in and there was no line. I mean, yeah, a few extra check-in details, but the guy was really cute, actually. We are making it through. Look at that red outfit. Look at those red outfits. Ooh, spicy. Going through security. Okay, so I'm through security, and it was pretty easy. I couldn't film. I got yelled at for filming. And I was like, I'm a YouTuber. Just kidding. Maybe I'm not kidding. Okay, so we're gonna go to the gate. I'm gonna maybe go to this bookstore, maybe grab some more food. It's pretty empty. I mean, it's Sunday morning. It's now like 9 o'clock in the morning. And this is usually a pretty popular time to travel. You see like all the do not sit here signs. So, ooh, Rolex. You see that? Rolex? Right there. Yeah, it's pretty empty. But that means it's probably gonna be an easy flight. That's nice.
Fear. And if we could go.
So it is a 15-minute walk to this terminal from where you check in. I'm not a lazy person, and I feel like I've been walking for hours and miles. Rude. Okay, so on the plane, and as you can see, it's pretty empty. I think this is gonna be a really nice flight. I love flying. I miss flying. I'm like emotional. I'm emotional. Why am I emotional? Maybe I'm going home, but I love planes and I miss being on one. So I didn't know how I felt about traveling, but now that I'm here, I'm really excited, and we're gonna take off soon.
Like that. Ain't like that. Like that. Ain't like that. Give it up, give it up.
Okay, so I just got in. My mask is like dirty and nasty. So it was a really easy process. I got through customs in like no time at all. And I got my bag right away, and now I'm here. I'm actually waiting for my mom because she's the most delayed part of this whole thing. But I'm gonna do a very American thing and get Starbucks. Okay, so it wasn't Starbucks. I got cheated by the green logo. I'm disappointed right now. I really wanted an American experience, but it's green beans coffee. On the plus, it's super warm here, and the shorts are definitely a good choice. It's really nice. I'm excited to see my family. And also what I discovered about traveling is, I printed all the documents, the right to travel documents and intention for travel, and filled out all that stuff, but I didn't show it to anyone. So if you're wondering if you're gonna need that, if you're thinking about traveling, I mean, obviously we have to do it, but it just seemed like a normal day of traveling with a little more precaution. And because it was so quiet and not a lot of people traveling, it was really easy and everything just flowed seamlessly. So, I'm kind of into the travel vibe right now. I really appreciated everyone I encountered. I got a lot of sleep on the plane. And I'm excited to be here. So thank you for watching this. This is my travel in May 2021, London to New York. I'm going to be shooting all week. I'm going to be shooting a lot of fashion content. It's my birthday on the 12th. I'm going to be doing a little shindig in the city. I'm going to be doing it all, and I'm really excited to be here for the next 3 weeks, creating a lot of content, not just for this platform, but for Creative Life School, which is my spiritual-based platform. We have courses and memberships to help elevate people's life. I'll link that all down below. It's cool because, I used to do a lot of that writing, the spiritual writing at home, and it's all at my family's house. So now I get to go through all that stuff and make all that content even better. So I'm very excited, and I'm very happy to be home. I'm going to rest, I'm going to recharge, I'm going to create, I'm going to get my energy right because I've been really stressed. I have to move when I get back to London, and I spent 2 months looking for a new apartment, and it really ungrounded me, and I'll still be at my other apartment when I get back for a week or two, but I just need to settle in, kind of make space and time for everything that actually matters instead of just running around looking at apartments. So this is my space and time, and I can't wait to see my family, and I hope you have time with people that you love. And if you're away from your family because of the whole situation in the world, I hope you see them soon. So thank you so much for being a part of my life. Like and subscribe if you like this content. I'm mainly a musician, do fashion, mindset, travel, all of it. If you like my vibes, then join the vibe. Much love.